people, because the fact that they have been a nation prior to the formation of the state, the modern state system has collapsed, but the nation itself did not collapse, and the people have managed to an extent that it has been documented, it has been talked about, it has been elaborated. The case that Somalia is teaching well, presumably, that they can live without a state. So I think they have shown something totally different than what was expected to come out.
Maybe Somalia has had a failed political system, failed government, but it's not a failed society. So many things work in Somalia better than they do in lots of other countries. They have one of the most cheap and efficient telecommunication systems in the world. Their remittance system is incredible. You can pay mobile payments in Somalia that you can't do here. You can go to get your petrol, you just pay by your phone.